Welcome guys, today we are going to be looking how we can create stories and how we can generate the stories. We are also going to look at how we can edit the story. So let's get started. So I'm just going to go here on plan. Now I'm going to go here where it says story. So here in story, I'm going to click here and I'm going to go where it says insert story. So here it's going to ask you the total number of stories that you want to insert. Generate 4 stories. So here I'm going to add a 4. Mind you that we have the first story which has been created, so that first story is also counted. So we are going to have 4 stories in total. So here I'm going to go here on OK. Then we're going to go on yes. Still want to continue. Alright. So here now when you go to your stories, you can see we have 4 stories now. Then here we can go here on the story. Then I can go where it says edit story. So let's edit our stories here. So here we have 4 stories. So here if you want to edit, for example, if you want to change your height here, so I've been given the height, then the level here. So for every story it's 3 meters or 3000 millimeters. You can change over here. So here if you maybe you want to add 3200, you can change from here. So here I can add it 2, then it is going to change. Even here if I want to change, I can go here and I'll change here. So I'll add a 2 everywhere so that it can be 3200 millimeters. Then here I can change as well, like that. So once you are done here, you can see even here the levels were changing. So once I'm done with this, you can go here, you can change some things here that you like. So here it's going to show you the foundation depth. Then here if you want to change the foundation depth, you can change. I can change from here. So I'm going to keep this like that. Then I'll go on OK. So I have my stories here. So here I'll go on story 1. You can see this is what we have on story 1. But if we go on story 2, we have this. So it means, this means, let's go to it in 3D so that I show you properly. So here, if we were to look at this, if we were to look at this here, if I was to select story 2, it will show you the level here and the grids, but there is nothing. So we are going to look at how we can take this to these other stories which are remaining. If I was to select story 3 again, there is nothing, and story 4. So now if I want to generate to these other stories, let's say I want to generate these other parts to these other stories, I have to go on story 1 where I have. So I'll go here on story 1, then I'll go here on story, then I'll go on generate story. So here I'm now on story 1. So here I have to select this other side. So from this other side I will have to press my control key and I'll select all these stories where I want my where I want to generate. So I'll select all these 3 stories if I want to generate the stories now. So I want to generate those drawings to these other stories. So you have to press the control key and you select all these 3 like this. So once you are done, you can go on OK. But you can also look at this first. Here it's going to be showing you the member types to be generated. So if you uncheck your columns, they are not if you uncheck your slabs, they are not going to show there. So make sure you have all these checked which you need to generate. So once you are done, you are going to go on OK here. And it is going to generate all the remaining stories. So you can just go on close and you can see here you have generated everything here to the story. You have generated all your stories, which are 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see. So once you are done with this now, let's try to check. You can orbit around and see how you have generated your stories. So this is how you generate your story in ProtaStructures. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.